There's a what?
There was a deer.
Oh, you saw a deer? That's awesome. I didn't see it. Good job. Good job keeping a lookout. Izzy has found some beautiful horses. Some beautiful, wild looking horses. Now careful when you get up to Weaver Street up here. You're going to turn left, but you don't want to pop out into a car. Some doggies. Oh, ran into the fence. Now we're going to turn left here. Watch out for cars. We're clear.